Hi friends! If you love a luxurious bath, today's DIY is for you. We're making homemade bath fizzies that are easy to do, smell amazing, and leave your skin soft and smooth. Let's get started. For this bath fizzy recipe, you'll need 1 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup of citric acid, 1/2 cup of Epsom salts, 1/2 cup of tapioca starch, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil melted, 10 to 15 drops of essential oil, I'm using frankincense for a calming, relaxing bath, a few spritz of water in a spray bottle, a silicone mold. Start by mixing all your dry ingredients, baking soda, citric acid, Epsom salts, and tapioca starch. Once that's well mixed, add your melted coconut oil and essential oils. Stir everything together. Now gently spritz the mixture with water, just a little at a time while stirring. Be careful not to activate the fizzing too early. Pack the mixture tightly into your molds. Let these dry for 24 to 48 hours before using. And like that, you've got your own homemade bath fizzies. To use, simply drop one in the tub, relax, and let your cares melt away. If you've enjoyed this DIY tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.